Well, here we go. I think we're getting that downpour. Let's see. I might have to open the screen up so that I can get a good... There we go. Ooh. Whoa, I think I just saw lightning. I think. The trees are blocking it, I think. Oh, there's a clear spot. It kind of sounds like it's coming down. Wowee. I don't know what you guys are seeing or what whoever's watching this is seeing, but as much rain as we've gotten in the last couple of weeks, I feel like I should be singing, "Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a melody, falling on my head like a new emotion." Great, now I've got that in my head. And it sounds like it's going away just as fast as it started. These things are moving quick. I think I was hearing 60 miles an hour. Oh no, it's still raining. I'm just not feeling it because it's not. There it is.